we have already learned in lower standards, such as constant, variable, term, and coefficient. Constant is the one whose value is fixed. Say any number such as 2, 3, 4, -5. So this all are constants. Next is a variable. Any unknown number is said to be a variable. Means if we do not know the number, we take the alphabet A to Z to represent that number. The alphabet we can take is A to Z. It can be anything, A, B, C, D, or X, Y, Z, or anything. So any number unknown is said to be a variable, and it is represented by the alphabet. Next is term. Let us say we have a algebraic expression 5x minus 7y plus z. So in this expression we have three terms, that is 5x minus 7y and z. So these are the three terms for any given algebraic expressions. Next is coefficient. Let us say the term minus 7xy. So x and y will be the variables, and minus 7, which is multiplied with this variable, will be the coefficient. Next, let us revise a linear equation. Linear equation is the one which gives line graph when plotted on a graph paper. So we have already studied the linear equation in one variables, such as 2x minus 7 equal to 10. In this we can only see the one variable, and that is x. So such a equation are called one variable equation. Next, what will be the two variable equation? Obviously the one which contains two variables in the given equation, such as 4a minus c equal to 8, in which we have two variables a and c. So how are linear equations in two variables defined? Let us say if we take one example in which it is given Vinay's age is twice the age of Vivek. So let the Vinay's age be x and let the Vivek's age be y. So we do not know both of their ages, so we have taken age of Vinay as x and age of Vivek as y. So now the question was given, Vinay's age is twice the age of Vivek. So Vinay we have taken x and Vivek we have taken y. So reading it again, x is twice the y. So this is our equation, x is equals to 2y. That is linear equation in two variable. So here are some examples of linear equations in two variables, such as 4x minus 9y equal to 18, 2t plus 1.5s equal to 1, 7.5v minus 1 by 2y equal to 9. So coefficients can also be decimal numbers as well as fractions. The standard form of a linear equation in two variable is given by ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b and c are constants and x and y are the variables. Let us take one example. It is given, write the equation in two variables, but we can only see one variable in this equation, and that is x. So how will we write it into two variables? We will just simply take 3 on the left hand side, so 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Still it is one variable, so what we have to do is we simply just have to add 0y so that the equation becomes linear equation in two variables. So adding 0y will not change the equation, because 0 into y will be equal to 0. So we have not changed the equation. And there is one important note which we all have to consider. The solution of a linear equation is not affected if any number is added, subtracted, multiplied or divided on both the sides of the equations. Means if we add, subtract, multiply or divide any number on both the sides of equation, it will not affect the equation. Such as if we take the equation x equal to 2y and add 2 on both the sides, x plus 2 equal to 2y plus 2. So this equation will be same as x equal to 2y. We have not changed the equation. So it is kind of a balancing both the sides. So whatever you are doing on the left hand side, you also have to do it on the right hand side. Means if you are subtracting, adding, multiplying or dividing any number on the left hand side, the same number you have to add, subtract, multiply